In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Let's create a cube and in edit mode type A to select all and M to merge at the center. Now we can move it by typing G and extrude it by typing E. Shift select the last point and type F to connect it. Right-click and type S, and do that twice to add more point, so we can move the individual points like this. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. Now that the AI knows what we need, let's send this result to image to further enhance the details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.